guys, I'm Akhtar. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about 14 facial bones. So let's get into the video. As we have already seen how to draw the facial bones and recognized them, now it's time to know about the basic informations of these bones. Well, facial bones are the bones of the facial region of the skull that do not take part in forming the brain case. The main function of the facial bones is to serve to protect the brain, house and protect the sense of organs of smell, sight and taste. The bones also provide attachment for the muscles that control facial expressions and chewing. Among all of these facial bones, the mandible is the largest and strongest bone, which is also known as jawbone. The number of the facial bones are 14. Among these, Maxilla, Zygomatic, Nasal, Lacrimal, Palatine, inferior nasal concha are paired. On the other hand, Mandible and Vomer are unpaired. Now, for the bonus tip, we can memorize the name of the facial bones by this mnemonic. Vomer cannot make my pet chunky laugh. Here, Vomer means the vomer bone, can for concha, not indicates the nasal bone, make for maxilla, my for mandible, pet indicates the palatine, junky for zygomatic, and laugh is for lacrimal. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment and share. Subscribe my channel NursoChondria and hit the notification button so that you can get informed about the upcoming videos.